A warm welcome to SS Engineers and Consultants. SS Engineers is a leading manufacturing company in the dairy industry, having a variety of machinery for butter, cheese, cream, yogurt, ghee, condensed milk, dried milk, ice cream, buttermilk, skim milk, and milk processing. Today we are going to discuss how ghee is manufactured from butter. Before beginning, please make sure to subscribe our channel for latest technology videos. So, let's continue with our video.
The first way of getting butter is when the cream is extracted from the raw milk with the help of a cream separator, and the cream collected is churned until it turns into a semi-solid state, which is also known as butter. The second way of getting butter is that it can be purchased directly from a vendor. The purchased butter is stored in a cold room at a temperature of -4 degrees. The butter blocks are carried with SS trolleys from the cold storage room to the steam-jacketed butter pre-melting vat, where the butter blocks are heated up to 90 degrees, and the melted butter is transferred to the ghee boiler with the help of a ghee oil transfer pump.
Ghee is prepared in batches, and to reduce the wastage of time between the batches, a continuous melting vat is provided for the melting of the butter till it reaches 90 degrees. The float valve prevents the storage tank from overflowing. The steam-jacketed ghee boiler consists of an agitator where the butter is continuously stirred and heated from 90 degrees to 120 degrees for up to 3 hours. During this process, the butter turns into ghee, leaving a ghee residue behind. This ghee residue is rich in fat and protein, which can be used for other purposes. The ghee produced is sent to the settling tank with a centrifugal pump where it rests for 4 hours and the temperature drops from 120 degrees to 70 to 80 degrees. Later, the ghee is transferred to a storage tank via a ghee clarifier. The ghee clarifier consists of a bowl that rotates at high speeds, applying centrifugal force to the ghee so that the remaining residue is eliminated.
Ghee is heated up to 50 degrees in the storage tank before the packing process. Ghee is filled into bottles with a 4-headed volumetric bottle filling machine. Later, these filled bottles are transferred to an automatic capping and sealing machine on a conveyor.
These bottles are packed into a box manually and are sealed with a tape sealing machine. That's how pure ghee is manufactured without adding any preservatives or chemicals. Thank you for watching this video.